So this is how you can fix restricted mode not turning off or on YouTube. So let's go ahead and open up the app and then tap on the U button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once we're here, we're going to want to tap on the gear icon, which is our settings, and then simply tap on general. Now as you can see, my restricted mode is turned off and I can turn it on and back off. But if you can't turn yours off and it's grayed out for some reason, this is why. So maybe you're connected to public networks because that's usually what the problem is. It is caused by being connected by a public network, maybe in a coffee shop, so it's going to be turned on immediately. If you want to turn it off though, you're going to want to scroll down to your control panel and then turn off your Wi-Fi. Now turn on your mobile data or your cellular data and then try again. This should 100% work, but if it didn't for some reason, you're gonna want to go on ahead and delete the YouTube app. Tap on remove app and then tap on delete app. Once you do that, you're gonna want to reinstall it and then sign back in and see if you can turn restricted mode off. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.